Price elasticity of demand. The best way to do this is to do midpoint method. So I recommend to use the midpoint method for this. So you want to do the change in quantity demanded here, divided by the midpoint of quantity demanded, then divide that by the change in price, divided by the midpoint of price. That's the best way to do it in order to get it right. So I recommend the midpoint method, and that'll be most successful. Price elastic is when it's greater than 1, and that means that it's not a necessity. So inelastic is between 0 and 1, and that would be a need. And then unelastic is just 1. The determinants of price elasticity of demand, if there's a lot of close substitutes, it will be elastic because they can switch buying that to, they could buy something else for cheaper. If something becomes more expensive, they'll buy more of the substitute. And then also, if there's more income spent on a good, it's more elastic. So if the price goes up for, let's say, a Ferrari, people are going to be less likely to buy it because it's a big expense. Then over time, if the price is too expensive over time, people will shift and buy other things. So it would be more elastic in the long run because people will change their preferences and buy other things. So I recommend to do the mind tap activities and the textbook questions in order to be successful for this unit. So yeah, that practice in the textbook and mind tap are key to being successful in this unit.